It didn't care if I grew my hair long, like one of my jobs did that fired me because I wouldn't cut my hair short. It didn't care that I showed up every day, sick or not, went the extra mile, like the last job I ever had that got rid of me and everybody else because there was cheaper labor to be had in India where they could sell off all of our jobs for where, standards don't exist out there. So instead of paying, what was I making back then, 11 or 12 bucks an hour, they probably pay someone a nickel an hour now to do the job I used to have. Didn't matter. I showed up every day. It didn't matter. I was a loyal company man, lost other jobs. Jobs didn't matter. But what did matter is eventually I was invited into something that reached down to the very bottom rung of the economic ladder when I really I didn't have any income. Unemployment had run out. Didn't have a job, no income at all. So I was at the very bottom. I was like less than poverty, right? If that's possible. But it didn't matter. I was able to be reached down to at the very bottom rung of the economic ladder, pull myself up out of it with a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. I'm not going to lie. And that industry was called, still is called, network marketing. I'm still in it. It's a health product, so I got healthy. I developed some for a skinny boy. Those are kind of, I got some guns for a skinny guy, right? Not too bad. A little bit of a wide shot there. So anyway, the product is wellness, natural wellness, health, and the business model was network marketing. Still in it. 14 years later, at the time of this video, October of 2021, I got in August of 2007. I'm a lifer, as they say. If you'd like to look at what I've got, I don't just sell product. I also sponsor other people who want to get into this, and whatever your goals might be. Who knows? Maybe you like your job, maybe you don't like your job. Maybe you want to get healthy, maybe you want to become financially free, maybe you feel the squeeze of the economy or a system that's rigged against all of us and you're sick of participating in that nonsense, or just the proverbial hamster wheel, working hard, treading and going absolutely nowhere. I don't know, a combination of such. But if you want to see what I've got, let me know. I'll send you a link and you can see if you see something that speaks to you or not. Oh, got something on my phone. Bye for now.